Canon Technical Manuals says that the printer error 5100 is a cartridge error. However, this error could also be caused by other problems. To begin, try the universal repair method. Turn the printer off. Remove the electrical cable. Wait for a minute. Reinstall the electrical cable. Turn the printer on and check if the error has disappeared. Remove and reinstall the inkjet cartridges. If the ink cartridge isn't sitting properly in your printer, there's a good chance that it will trigger the error 5100 code. Try to change the ink cartridge. The cartridge could be defective. Clean the electrical contacts of the cartridge. Clean the electrical contacts of the printer. One of the most common cause of the Canon printer support code 5100 is when the encoder strip becomes dirty. Open the printer cover where the ink cartridges are located. The encoder strip is this thin strip of plastic inside the printer. It's located at the top of the drive belt. Clean the belt with a soft cloth. You can use alcohol or water. A paper jam is another issue that can cause a 5100 error code, especially in the area near the cartridges. If there is a piece of paper or other foreign objects, take it out. Ensure that the cartridge holder is moving freely. Clean the inside of the printer. Dust and debris getting into the interior of your printer can cause complications. You can remove the ink stains with a cloth lightly dampened with water. If the ink absorber is full but the sensor does not detect it as full, there's a good chance you'll end up getting the error 5100 code. Check the ink absorber. If possible, check the area under the ink cartridges. If you have the incorrect paper size or thickness, your printer could show the error 5100 since it will detect it as a paper jam. Reset the settings or change the paper.